we can get all of the help we need when it comes to organizing one's jewelry. Jewelry holders come in various styles and are sold in many stores. But here is one that you can DIY yourself with all of the supplies coming from the Dollar Tree. What you will need are tumbling tower blocks, chalk paint, Reptile glue or wood glue, wood craft cubes, a mirror, and a picture frame. So first you will decide how you want the jewelry holder to look, the color you want to paint it, and then you gather the supplies you need. You can make it glam, you can make it modern, or you can make it farmhouse, or any style that you would like. I took a Dollar Tree frame that I had gotten a while ago and took a Dollar Tree mirror, and I was so surprised that it fit. So that was my inspiration to get started on the project. I decided how high it should be and where to place the blocks. So for the first area, what I did is I put the frame down without the mirror, flat, and then I decided how far in I wanted the bracelet holder to be, and then how far back the necklace holder would be, how far from the front and how far from the back. Also, you need to determine how high you want it to be so that your necklace will hang at the right height. So I took a measurement 1 inch in on the front and 1 inch in on the back. So for the bracelet holder, I glued 2 towering blocks vertically on both sides and then 1 horizontally on both sides. And because I wanted a little bit more support, I glued 1 towering block underneath on both sides. And then because it was not the same size, it stuck out a little bit, I put 1 craft cube on top of that, so that you had to leave the space open so that you could put your bracelets. So for the necklace holder, that was a little bit different. I had glued 5 towering tumbling blocks vertically and then 3 horizontally. So it basically formed a rectangle. Because it was a little plain, it needed a little something, I took 7 wood craft cubes and placed them evenly on top so that you would have a place to hang your necklace. And then after that was done, then I just painted it with chalk paint, and you have to paint it twice. I had thought about spray painting it, but I ran out of time. The next time I make one, I probably will paint with chalk paint and then maybe spray over that for a nice even look. Also to fill in the little cracks that were left in between the towering blocks. And then once you paint it and it dries, you just turn it over, you place your mirror inside, and you've got a lot of reflections, especially if you have light in the area, and you can place your brooches, your rings, or whatever, little trinkets on top of that. And then you place your other jewelry and you have a nice, fantastic jewelry holder. I would like to see what you make, and if you make a jewelry holder, tag me and let me see what you do. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.